my dear Mr. Ambassador, proud members of the Pakistani community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored and delighted to be with you today as we celebrate Pakistan's Independence Day. I begin by congratulating all of you and all the people of Pakistan on this historic occasion. I share in your pride as you honor what this day represents for Pakistanis everywhere. This is a celebration of strong national character, of resilience, determination, achievement, and hope for the future. And here in Dubai, this is also a celebration of the deep friendship and brotherhood that exists between Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates. Our strong relationship rests on a foundation of shared beliefs, cultural heritage, love and respect for each other, and a common vision for peace and prosperity. The UAE is proud to stand with Pakistan as a friend, a partner, and a brotherly nation. Our bond is strengthened every day by the contributions of the Pakistani community, whose talent, hard work, and creativity enrich the life of our country. The relationship between Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates provides a blueprint for the kind of brotherly relationships necessary for social and economic prosperity in our world. I am pleased to express strongly my confidence in the bright future that lies ahead for both of our countries. Brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, under the wise leadership of His Highness the President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and with the support of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President, Prime Minister, and ruler of Dubai, the UAE has become a global beacon of tolerance, coexistence, and human fraternity. Our country is a home for people of many nationalities living and working side by side in peace and security. In the United Arab Emirates, differences are respected. Dialogue is encouraged, and shared values unite us. This harmony is one of our greatest achievements, and you, the Pakistani community, are an important part of it. Thank you. Thank you. Your knowledge, your optimism, your friendliness, your goodwill, and your concern for each person and for the community have benefited our country and strengthened our society. Thank you. Today and with you here in Dubai, we have good reason to celebrate your National Day of Independence. In this spirit of shared humanity, I would like to draw your attention to an important national writing competition organized by Sanduq al-Watan in cooperation with the Ministry of Tolerance and Coexistence and aligned with the Year of the Community. We invite everyone who lives in the UAE to share their thoughts on the theme of what the UAE means to me. All residents, citizens, expatriates, young and old, are invited to share their personal reflections on life in the United Arab Emirates. Reflections may be in the form of short stories, poetry, letters, or essays in Arabic or English, and submitted through the official website www.myuaestory.ae. Many of the inspiring entries in this competition, I am sure, will come from the Pakistani community. I ask you to encourage your families, friends, and colleagues to participate. Share your personal stories, your dreams, your successes, your gratitude. Let your words become part of a collective record of life in this country, a record that will inspire future generations. This is more than a competition. It is a chance to have your story remembered, celebrated, and shared as part of the UAE's multicultural community. Winning entries will be published in two commemorative book series, one in Arabic and one in English, and distributed widely. Winners and runners-up will be honored at a major national ceremony. They will receive meaningful prizes and be publicly recognized for their contributions. Before I conclude, I want to thank the Pakistan Association Dubai and all the organizers and sponsors of this celebration. Your work strengthens the friendship between our two great countries and promotes understanding, cooperation, and unity. On this Independence Day, let us celebrate not only Pakistan's proud history, but also the bright future that our two nations will share together. Happy Independence Day to you all. And to the great people of Pakistan, may our friendship continue to grow stronger. Thank you. And may your contributions continue to enrich the life in the United Arab Emirates. Thank you and enjoy the evening. Happy Independence Day.